seen the sour cream?
It's in there.
Where?
It's back the guacamole.
Where's the guacamole?
In the refrigerator.
Oh my god. Ugh. Hey, we're not ready for you guys yet. So why don't you take this time to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, and give me a like, comment, whatever you want to comment down there, right? We'll be right back, all right? See you then. All right, so let's grab some garlic and chop it up. Now we got some red bell pepper. This is a Cubanelle pepper. We're gonna chop those up. 1 Roma tomato. Half an onion. Jalapeno pepper. We're gonna add 1 cup of water into a blender and add the veggies in there. And let's go ahead and blend this bad boy. Now we're gonna season our pork with a little bit of salt. Gonna make sure we got a little bit of salt on both sides, a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of cumin. And some oregano. Now we're gonna stick this in our pressure cooker at high heat. You can hear that sizzling, and we want to sear the pork on all sides. And now we're gonna add our sofrito. Now we're gonna cook our pork in our pressure cooker for about 1.5 hours. If it needs a little more, add a little bit more water, and then you cook it for about 30 more minutes. Once we're done, we check, see if it's tender. If it's tender, we're good to go. Once that's done, we're gonna add a little bit of water to the pot and a little bit of rice and cook that for about 20 minutes. Once that's done, we're gonna add our corn. Now we're gonna grab our cast iron, make sure that's on high heat, and we're gonna melt a little bit of butter. Add our tortilla. We're gonna cut a slit up to the middle, and now we're gonna put our ingredients on the tortilla in 4 different segments. We've added our pork, we've added our rice. Now we're gonna add some guacamole. And then we're gonna add some sour cream. And of course we wanna top it all off with some queso fresco. And then we're gonna start folding it. Make sure that your tortilla is golden brown. And now you can stuff it in your face. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.